Well, ladies and gentlemen, I've just took this from outside. Excuse me. This is my LED security light. As you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, might be 5 lights that are actually LED diodes that are burnt out. So I'm going to attempt to just unplug it, open it up, and put a piece of copper wire across each one of those. Let's see how we get on. So first of all, let's get into that, shall we? Right, so let's get into this, shall we? Set up the tripod a little bit better, folks. A bit better. Use a, I think it's a number 2 posi. Correct. So look here, shall we? Might be number 3. Excuse me, folks. Yeah, this has been playing up for quite a long time, this, so instead of buying a new one, I'm going to see if I can get into it and repair it. Even if it lasts me a couple more months, better than to buy a new one. I haven't got any replacement LED diodes, so hopefully by putting a piece of copper wire across there, I can complete the circuit. And get a little bit more use out of it, hopefully. No, I think that's nearly off. There we go. Yep, number 2. Hope everybody's keeping well. It's absolutely throwing it down today. This was a really cheap one. I think it was from eBay. So you get what you pay for at the end of the day, don't you? In here. Look at the rust there. Absolutely horrendous around the edge. So let's get the 2 screws there. Let's pop these off. So look what's underneath, shall we? Let's go this one. If I can get. Oh, that's not spinning, that one, which is no good. That's that one. Try a smaller bit. See if that works. Try this one. Let's see if that one gets in there. Fingers crossed. A smaller bit does it, unless I have to bend it out. No. Right, so we should just bend that over then. There we go. That's the inside of it. Just putting a bit of light on helps. See there, we have, I'm not an electronic expert, but they're the inputs, they're the outputs. So we've got 1, 2, 18 volts it says, 14, 20, I have no idea what all those make. All these have been covered with silicone to waterproof them, I suppose. That comes out like that, which is great, so I've got that out. So now I'm going to get my little tester and let's see what's live and what's broken, shall we? So I'm just going to get to the back here. Right, have a good look at it then. That's it. Just give it a knockout, shall we? That's thermal paste on the back there. Get that wiped off. Absolutely hate this stuff. Alright, I'm just fixing this. Fix it light. I'm nearly done. So I'll just try and get it off. Plug it in there, see what happens. A bit of soldering iron. Right, welcome back folks. What I've done, I've scraped off the broken LED light there, and then all you need to do then is get my soldering wire, if I can find it, is then just get a little bit of solder and just bridge the gap there. It's only a really small gap, so that should do it. Once that's done, right, so I'm no electrician, I'm no expert. That's it. Hopefully, I'll plug this in now. Now bridge that gap. This should be working then. Yes, spot on. That's brilliant, that. As you can see, now bridge that gap. The rest of the LEDs can actually work. So, just unplug that. Yeah, that's how to fix your LED light, outdoor security light. As long as this sensor's not broken, it's as easy as that. Scrape off the old LED light, solder a bridge across there, and that's it. We'll see how well that works. I mean, really, I think you're really supposed to put a bit of copper over the top of it, a piece of copper wire, but if that holds, that holds. I'll be well pleased with that. So what I'll do now is put it back together and we'll see how well it works, shall we?